Friends, now we are on Gitega Muyinga road. If you go straight, you will reach Muyinga. If you go this side, it will come Karuzi city. We are coming from Gitega side. So let's start. You can see the signboard there. Big mountains behind the Karuzi city. You can see the amazing view of nature. This plain area, you can see the rice crop. Now we entered in Karuzi city. Some buildings. This is some go down storage house. You can see the CNDD-FDD party office. Some fuel station and garage, but it is closed. This is a hotel Geeker. This is another hotel cum restaurant. See the Interbank Burundi branch here with the Western Union. You can see here there is a memorial palace, the Independence, dedicated to the freedom fighters. This is BCB Bank branch. This is the post office. This is Kupet Bank. This is Community Office Karuzi. This is freedom fighter statue. Karuzi is a small town. This is this side church. This is Econet office. This is the new building of CNDD-FDD party. This is car washing area. This side government hospital. we are going back to Muyinga Gitega road. This is another storage house. Now we reach again back to the Muyinga Gitega road. If you go from here left, you will go to Gitega, and if you go right, then you go to Muyinga. In Karuzi it is famous for the fish farms. You can see these fish farms. Are we going to Muyinga? This vlog ends here. Thank you.